Luxury and minimalism, two contrasting ideas that, when fused, create a timeless and elegant home design. This approach embraces the beauty of simplicity while elevating every detail to a refined level of sophistication. A luxury minimalist home is not just about clean lines and open spaces. It's about thoughtful design, premium materials, and an atmosphere that feels effortlessly elegant. Let's explore how this design philosophy transforms both the interior and exterior into a stunning modern masterpiece. The first impression of a luxury minimalist home is defined by its striking yet understated exterior. A seamless blend of sleek facades, natural textures, and carefully curated landscaping creates a harmonious balance. Large glass panels invite natural light while connecting the home with its surroundings. Whether it's a lush garden, a tranquil water feature, or an urban skyline, the entrance exudes grandeur without excess, setting the tone for the refined beauty inside. Step inside, and the living area welcomes you with a sense of openness and calm. Every element is meticulously chosen: soft, neutral color palettes, high-quality furnishings, and statement pieces that add depth without clutter. A luxurious minimalist home prioritizes comfort and function, incorporating plush yet streamlined sofas, sculptural lighting, and textured rugs that enhance warmth. The space breathes, allowing its curated elegance to take center stage. A luxury minimalist kitchen is a masterpiece of precision and practicality. Smooth surfaces, handle-less cabinetry, and a carefully hidden storage system create a seamless look. High-end materials such as marble countertops, matte finish wood, and premium stainless steel appliances define the space. A well-planned lighting scheme enhances its sleek aesthetic, while an open layout encourages effortless movement, transforming the kitchen into a space that is both visually stunning and highly functional. Minimalism in the bedroom is an invitation to tranquility. The space is curated with only the essentials: a plush, well-crafted bed, elegantly simple nightstands, and soft lighting that creates a relaxing ambience. The absence of excess decoration allows the beauty of textures and high-quality materials to shine. Floor-to-ceiling windows or carefully placed openings bring in natural light, reinforcing a sense of calm while maintaining a seamless connection with the exterior landscape. Luxury minimalist bathrooms are designed as private sanctuaries, echoing the serenity of high-end spas. Expansive stone surfaces, frameless glass showers, and freestanding bathtubs contribute to an atmosphere of indulgence. Soft, ambient lighting and warm natural textures, like wooden accents or subtle stone veining, enhance the overall feeling of relaxation. Every detail, from the fixtures to the towels, is intentionally chosen to create a seamless, rejuvenating experience. A luxury minimalist home extends its beauty beyond the interior, seamlessly integrating with nature. Private courtyards, infinity pools, and tranquil seating areas invite residents to unwind in style. Carefully designed landscaping, whether in the form of lush greenery, sculpted pathways, or reflective water features, complements the architecture. This outdoor retreat is more than just an aesthetic addition. It's a living space that embodies harmony, simplicity, and quiet luxury. Luxury minimalist homes are more than just a trend. They represent a refined lifestyle that values quality over quantity, simplicity over excess, and timeless beauty over fleeting fashion. Every space is designed with purpose, allowing luxury to feel effortless and deeply personal. In a world that often feels overwhelming, these homes offer a retreat of peace and sophistication, an architectural masterpiece where modern elegance meets the serenity of minimalism.